Hello guys, NP Northwind Sub here. It's been a while, but I'm back with some fairly good news. In my last update, you'll remember that 559 was not able to run since, of course, well, I broke it. But the parts have came in and I've done the reinstallation. And, well, she's back. So now we'll just get it started. And I did some programming tweaking as well, because these number board lights used to just turn straight on and off, but now they have a nice fade in and fade out. And the major upgrade you're gonna hear is I put a different speaker in it. So let's start it up and see how it sounds. Much better. So now, and this is a scale sound system speaker, because, well, I got lucky enough to, as I was looking around, sure enough, they made a speaker that fits this. So let's take a listen to some of the other tweaks I made. That's the standard bell. But I changed the horn on it, because if you know, NP, let's see if I can zoom in on it. That's a 3-chime horn. And this came with an M5 horn sound, but I changed it to a proper P3. So now, let's get it moving. And my god, that sounds amazing. Just as I expect from using upgraded speakers. But that's not the only thing that I've done. So I'm gonna move this guy out of the way. And I'm gonna shut it off immediately. Because if you guys remember, well, I did another install on a different locomotive. Now you're gonna hear it. That is the Afrin Genesis SD70 ACU, number 7010. Now let's bring it closer here. This also has a scale sound system speaker in it. Here is the bell. And the horn. So yeah, this guy's really good. I'm very happy with it. I've got all the function mapping done correctly. Since I got, let's switch these off. F5 for the number boards. F6 ditch lights. And on startup, when I press F8, I have the ground lights to switch on and off. So now let's start running these. And now we're going to talk about some other things that I've got going. Well, we'll just take a quick look at this guy again. Now we're going to go back over here to this guy from my last update. This is my BN Proto 2000 Jeep 30. And I haven't done anything yet, but this will be up and running soon because I have an ESU decoder on the way. And of course, always got to have a scale sound system speaker in there, because why not? And I've also got, just in case, another decoder buddy. Here's 7010. I'm gonna speed this guy up. And now, my beloved 559. That sounds amazing, but now we're gonna go back over here. This is where my my storage area is. And I've got even more future projects here, because I've mentioned these guys previously. This is my Kato-9. And this I plan on turning into some switching power that I saw at Northtown. I think it was 628, if I remember the number correctly. And of course, I've got to get... I think these I'm just gonna put some... just some standard 8-pin Digitrax decoders in for my the NP SD70, well, SD70 Max there. Then my RS1, I've gotta get a TCS motherboard for it, and then I'm gonna put soundtracks in this one. And of course, my CPKC collection of 9375, 4781, 9637, and seeing this guy, having a model of this guy is really cool, because if you saw it in my post and my YouTube shorts, 6024 rolled through on the back of a the CPKC's new Centennial units, and of course my standard SD30 Eco. And I also plan on getting scale sound speakers for these guys. And some more future projects is my Walthers mainline NP F7s. This is a 6017 A and B, and I want to see if I can get a proper headlight kit put on it. That's also made from Scale Sound Systems, and I'll probably tack some Scale Sound speakers in there while it's open and torn apart. So this was just a quick little update since it's been quite a while. So other than getting 559 back up and running, nothing too much has happened. That is until my parts for the Jeep 30 comes in. So with that, this is NP Northwind Sub, and I'll see you guys later. So I'll leave you guys here with a run-by of both of my trains here. Alright, so this is NP Northwind Sub. Have a good one.